Off-grid health centers like Barangay Polopina and Concepcion, Iloilo, indeed, is disadvantaged. Separated from the mainland, electrification via traditional means may prove difficult, unrealistic even. But no challenge is too great for the country's top power distribution company, who, through its corporate foundation, continues to find innovative ways of energizing and empowering remote communities. Can you tell us more about Juan Meralco Foundation's electrification program, particularly this new venture?
You know, Juan Meralco Foundation, when we reorganized the foundation 12 years ago, to really focus more on electrification programs in rural communities. It has brought us to many low-income villages, even within the Meralco franchise area, and energized about 70,000 low-income households, as well as to really far-flung, remote, off-grid communities in the Philippines, where we energize initially public schools. We've actually done 290 of those already in a span of a decade.
Providing countless opportunities, whether through livelihood or education. The company and its foundation certainly made impact to off-grid communities, energized and empowered by electricity. But seeing how the pandemic challenged the health situation in the country, the foundation saw it fit to evolve the program.
This new venture on energizing health centers has been actually in our plans. But it was, I think, after the pandemic, led us to really focus more into it because of the need of a lot of communities, initially for vaccine storage. And so the parceling challenge was, it cannot be stored in health centers because they don't have refrigerators or storage facilities kasi walang kuryente. That really ignited, we have to do this now. And then when we started to study, specifically in very remote communities, which have health centers, hindi lang pala vaccine storage. They needed for nebulizers.
It's true.
They needed fetal Dopplers. They can easily do this if they had electricity.
Seeing the urgency of powering off-grid health centers like Barangay Polopina, Juan Meralco Foundation partnered with the local government of Concepcion, Iloilo to energize the center through the use of solar technology, creating significant change to the medical services delivery to the communities it serves. How does electrification help the community, not just the community, the health workers as well?
I think one of the instant results of health center electrification is that the health workers have this certain level of enthusiasm. They have a renewed enthusiasm to work for the community. I'm sure they double up doing overtime just to help these communities. Because now they see their kids being able to, let's say for example, enjoy the benefits of a nebulizer. Pregnant women need not travel across the seas to the mainland to have their babies checked. Especially I think the heart rate. That's why they can now use fetal Dopplers. And of course, the vaccines. Now they can store vaccines in the center and all the other islands surrounding Polopina.
And with the light provided by the Rural Health Center Electrification Program comes a renewed sense of purpose for BHWs like Christy, adding another layer of vigor to her passion for serving her community.
Natutuwa lang ako. Matagal na dami ko nang naranasan, sir. Kahit paano, talagang lumakas yung loob ko sa trabaho ko. Kampante yung loob ko. Wala akong iniisip kahit sa bahay, kahit marami akong ginagawa. Pag dito ako, talagang trabaho yung iniisip. Masaya talaga ako ngayon. Pag sa loob kami nagtatrabaho, talagang maipakita namin sa tao nga talagang gumagawa kami. Talagang laking pasalamat na bigyan kami ng ganitong pagkakataon na may solar.
I'm very happy that you have given us this opportunity. So rest assured that our cooperation will be full so that we can sustain this program. And I believe Juan Meralco as a corporation, I believe also your desire to provide this kind of services to the people, particularly in the far-flung areas, is really timely for us here in Concepcion.
But more than empowering the community, the electrification program also instills a sense of responsibility and stewardship.
When it comes to maintenance, the barangay health workers would regularly check the equipment. Yung barangay officials, they were informed of rehabilitating the barangay health station and with the regular na checking ng solar equipment. Along with that, hindi nila ini-exhaust talaga yung equipment para hindi siya masira. Some of them are also trained on how to maintain the equipment.
How does this mission align with the vision of the parent company?
The greater vision of Meralco is really bringing the benefits of electrification, especially to the marginalized communities. As a leader in the industry, it is imperative for us to use our knowledge, our expertise, our skills, our competencies, even our volunteerism, to be able to extend the benefits of electrification to marginalized communities in the Philippines.
Sana darating pang araw na hindi lang ganito ang maabot ng center natin para yung mga tao ma-akomodar namin ng mabuti.